Hello guys, welcome back to our new video of Techy Guy. So first of all, I want to show you I have come with a new project that is hospital management system. As you can see here, this is our home page and that is a front end of our hospital management system. So this is just for user side. If you go to here first, so I would like to first show our admin panel here. For admin panel, you have to log in from here, admin login, and you have to click here admin as username and test@12345. That is capital T and test@12345. Okay. So when I log in here, you can see here dashboard of admin. So first of all, I'm going to add here a doctor that is for I guess dental care, and doctor name may be Doctor Dentist Roy. Okay, and clinic address I can give here. I'm going to give here a random address that is random place XYZ123, and maybe its consultancy fee is 500. Its number is guess I give here 12345678890, and doctor email will be dentist@gmail.com. Okay, and password I will give here T capital TEST @123, and confirm password will be safe test @123. So now I'm going to create this string guys, capital TEST @123. So I'm going to submit. As you can see, doctor info added successfully. Now when a patient go here and click on login, or I'm going to first login from patient side. So when I click on login, I don't know why it is taking so much long time guys. Okay, so I don't have an account, so I'm going to create an account. So patient first, I'm going to address will be random city, I give random 2, and patient is a male, patient@gmail.com. Password I give here test@123 guys. Again test@123. I'm going to submit here. As you can see, I have registered, so I'm going to log in now. Patient@gmail.com, and the password I have given during registration. So now I have to book an appointment, so I'm going to book my appointment. I'm going to for dental care, that is Dr. Dentist Right. I have recently added consultancy fees, you can see here 500, and I'm going to book for today's 18th February, so I'm going to book for 19th February, and time will be 10 a.m. Okay, so I have booked for 10 a.m. tomorrow, so I have submitted my appointment, you can see here. Okay, so now when we go to appointment history, you can see here my appointment details here, and current status is active here. Now I'm going to admin panel dashboard, so you can see appointments from Dr. Dentist Right. There is no action taken yet, so I have to log in now from doctor side. So I am going to log in test@123. As you can see my appointments from here, Dr. Dentist, you can see here. So appointment is confirmed from here, and from manage patient you can see nothing here action. You can cancel this appointment from here. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe this channel for upcoming new projects, and I have given the source code of this project in the description, so you can download from there. And let's move how to set up this project. Okay, so for setting up this project, first of all you have to download the source code I have given in the description. Then you have to take SQL file that is in this zip folder I have given zip file. So when you extract this, you will see this hms.sql. Then you have to go to this MySQL admin server, and then you have to create a new database here called HMS. And when you create it, you can see database is created. Then you have to import the SQL file. So for importing SQL file, you have to go to that mm, project folder, and then you have to select this hms.sql. When you select it and input, you can see here all the tables are imported. So now we have to give the file folder name localhost/htms, and you can see the project is runnable. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.